Let's talk about Vanagon mirrors. The original manual mirrors that came on a Vanagon got the nickname floppy mirror for a reason. Seeing people around you on the roadway is important, and honestly, these things are just unsafe. So we're going to be pulling them off and putting on a pair of the GoWesty Deluxe Mirrors. Start by removing the original mirrors and then clean up the mounting area with one of the provided alcohol wipes. Next, clean up the mounting brackets and attach the adhesive gaskets with the red side facing out. Each mounting bracket is specific to one side of the van, so pay attention to the markings on the bottom to make sure you have the correct one. Line up the bracket with the original bolt holes and press it into place. Then install the provided mounting hardware and tighten it down. Add a small amount of the provided grease to the top of the bracket. This will allow the mirror to fold in smoothly. Next, remove the hardware and spring from the bottom of the new mirror assembly. Then place the mirror into the mounting bracket. Reinstall the spring and hardware in the same order that they came off and tighten everything finger tight. Using a ratchet, give it one additional full turn or until the mirror feels snug. Be careful not to over-tighten. Over-tightening can cause the teeth and the base of the mirror to wear out prematurely. Install the bottom cap and repeat the process for the other side. Adjust the mirrors to your liking and you're good to go. One of my favorite things about these mirrors is how easily they fold in when you need a little bit of extra clearance in tight spaces. These are a great affordable upgrade, and most importantly, they'll stay right where you put them, even at highway speeds. Pick up a set today at GoWesty.com.